Meaning of goose pimples.
Goose pimples.
Goose pimples.
Goose pimples.
Goose pimples. Goose pimples is a physical response to certain stimuli, such as cold temperatures or strong emotions. It occurs when tiny muscles at the base of each hair follicle contract, causing the hairs to stand upright and creating a bumpy texture on the skin that resembles the skin of a plucked goose. This response is also known as piloerection or horripilation. It is a natural reaction that helps animals, including humans, to conserve heat or appear more intimidating. The term goose pimples is a colloquial term used to describe this phenomenon.